Ebusiafo ma munyina akwa ba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusiafo yeko NSM anyway. Yeah, giant plastic chairs. And so Ebusiafo, having laid all these foundations, let's go to our main topic for tonight. The main reason why I came here. But before then, also let me share this news with you. Munim said, Bishop Agyin Asare Nebano, when your appointment, are you aware that one of the sons of Bishop Agyin Asare, has been appointed to a board of NCA? Some judge has appointed him to NCA's board. You see, when we say everybody has an interest. Everybody, each of us, we have an interest. You think just a political statement, a statement with that is not backed by fact. I hope from the way things are going now, the way you are saying some of the pastors who were speaking against Akufo-Addo over and over, it was not because they loved Mother Ghana. It was not because Akufo-Addo was really doing something very wrong, but it was just because they also had their own interest to protect. Some of them wanted a diplomatic passport, and some of them wanted appointment to boards. And you see a pastor who is appointed to the board of Lands Commission. He's smiling, he's enjoying. He will come and tell you, issues that he had spoken about in the past. For today, for now, dear, it's no longer a political issue. Let's all unite and talk about it. Right? And then you have children of people like hyp0cryt, more appointment to keep them silent. The so-called neutrals, they are all receiving appointment. Then you have people like children. So as for those pastors that cannot send themselves directly, say, appoint me to the board, then their children are appointed. They say Bishop Agyin Asare say, you're appointing him back to NCA. For right now, if you go and ask, what expertise does that person have that has warranted his appointment to a board of NCA? You and I, maybe you'll be surprised at the kind of things that we might discover. Because this is a government in which Obitimiye clothing and tester. Now you're man appointment or Bank of Ghana. Or your clothing and tester, I'm an appointment to a Bank of Ghana. Yeah, that is what is happening under Don Mama's government. And everyone has an interest, and I'm happy Bishop Agyin Asare has been sorted out. And you also must remember, Ewa Ghana Hano, mortuary price ɛXp0sɛd. Mortuary. Omukra price ɛXp0sɛd because of the dome so high ɛXp0sɛd. You know the fridges that they use there, they consume a lot of electricity. And with the power outages, they are forced to switch to plants. And so, even now, to die in Ghana, as I say, is expensive. To die in Ghana, yes. If you are stranded with everything that is ongoing, and you say, okay, let me just die, your death can be an expensive amount. And you rather stay alive and keep up with the kind of country these people are ruling. So, to our main topic, Ibrahim Mahama. Ghana Jollof, thank you for reposting it. Say, Ebusiafo,
advocate is meanwhile, Ubia ni wakochi Ubia Uchitra ECG Hamam, and I say all she ECG Niama, but NDC for now, or what any Quaqua de be and Edumu Caniano. Quaqua de be cribin see hey. Etino,
your buff one no buff for sale or more buff no colonel workers are. Yamini picture and this Mahaman and this in Waka. There's a Mahaman workers and soon in the dinechi, Mahama Baya, and a down and what a Ghana Kasiaka thing in Assyria. Well, anybody soon just I didn't and one really who said so what the Ghana, Pennyfoniswa, but not the president here, one who said, Minister, and you are already probably propaganda, not the sister. No claim Misicana, the Obey Biano, did the answer, Obey Church and some 12 1 as some funny I didn't be Necano. na kyerɛ sɛ was Ghana japadeɛ no nyinaa kyerɛ sɛ wɔn ba so wɔn bɛ lutu kɛkɛ na wɔn ahyerɛ na nka nnɛ sɛ megya mfi office kɛkɛ ne nkonnwa a ɔkɔtɔ gu hɔ no ɔno ara so wɔbɛka ɛyɛ sɛn na ka mpɛ sɛ ne fie obi nso abɛtam sika mpempem so ɔde kɔdua bɛduru kyerɛ sɛ wohu scientistifoɔ ne nimdeɛ biara na kyerɛ sɛ yɛbɛtwa torɔ no agu abanpapa ne ɔbɛboa wɔ man no ho na ghanafoɔ yɛso wɔhu sɛ yɛadwene so na ghanafoɔ aba bɛtoa mmom na ɔmanya kwan abɛsi sɛ sika kɛkɛ Mahama by who said the papa are you to me only this in your okay there. The other catcher is a dollar back from $1 from Nayan Mahama dear or buy a $9 back from not that you say Kufado she say your papa or the good one and Nina so was $1 back from one. Nothing your gun if you can't want to say good say or the dollar number from who said you Bible said Nidia me marrying to what some follow. Nimdeɛ no wɔn mu nimdeɛ yɛ de bu ɔman no oni hu no ni idea bi yɛ de bu ɔman no na ne deɛ ne sɛ obegyina hɔ ka yɛn so yɛ adwene sɛ di na yɛnyɛ kwasiafo bi na wɔn abɔ wɔn nsɛm ama wɔn ɔkɔ ano akɔyɛ ne difference ɔkɔ ano akɔyɛ ne different wɔn wɔn ade papa bia papa yi ba so mpie no nye mpɛ mmiɛnsa ma atamis wo yi mpɛ mmiɛnsa ne na deɛ wɔn ade papa bia Muhammad abɛto kwam ọbẹbẹ nyinaa na Ghanafoɔ yɛn nso gudam ne yɛ sɛ gu yɛti adan ɛnso yɛbɛsa abɛgyina hɔnom na yɛasan akɔtɔ ma no adan
na menkɔ wo nuanom so na mensa mbra wo so
ɛnti meyɛ meka kyerɛ MPP-foɔ ne sɛ ɔmo propaganda no sɛ mo anti mo ho anti na ne mo nyinaa ndwale fam na sɛdeɛ ɔmo propaganda no yɛn so yɛnyima pa no nkurɔfoɔ nyim paa nyima pa na n'agufo ado ne yi afɛn sɛ Dr. Bawumi abɛbu ɔmo nyim paa so ɔmo ka nka yɛ paa NDC ne sɛ yɛ bi yɛfi ante yɛ wɔn na ɔmo nneɛma fo yɛ ɔmo ne sɛ yɛafɛsi wɔn ma ɔmo de propaganda saa bɛsɛ nti mo ma yɛ nimble na yɛ media minim sɛ nyame so ka yɛ ho nyame ka MPP wɔ fɔ ba because the MPP ba Ghana yɛnya yɛ asomdue yo
Inti jina o menko. Akwatia. Yes.
Arumpo me pacho see me why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Akwatia.
Before Akwatia comes in, me pacho abe pacho source na ode kan the energy way no great no. Can you give it back to me? I want to take something from there.
Oh, okay. Energy Commissions Ghana. Oko official website.
Okay.
Yeah, oko na no wako baby a downloads no one. We do downloads and no wako energy statistics. Oko a files ni na go reports ni na.
Ayi mami sa we no. Obetumi abobo ana be delay. Na nka sa abobo mami. Ayi each way a year within the period no.
Oh, okay. Okay, mommy help.
A very educative way. Let's take note of that because NDC has always been
about from present.
Yes.
Total.
Yes,
total
exactly.
Install capacity. No. Okay. So,
yes.
In fact, mommy started from Okwa starting fee 2000 to 2024. Now, in 2000, now your installed capacity 1,652 megawatts. 2001,
no, 2000, no, I say
1,652 megawatts.
1,600.
That was the total installed capacity in Ghana war.
Okay.
And then, yeah, bre. I'm telling me that thing.
Share that say Dr. What's the name? Bawumia na. Okay, Dr. Bawumia. Where the area Bawuma?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my name that is my name.
Your name is Bawuma.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Me da masene madwuma mo ye no nyame mama ho de ne onto supangu ma ho de so. Na oma bibia enkoso fine. Nyame mbre ne mrepa. na light asɛm wɔ yɛ kasa yɛ ka yɛ bɛka yɛ ada light yɛ ɔmo dum yɛ light 3 days today ni anopia na ɔmo so yɛ bɔ yɛ 11 ya ɔmo asɛn dum na ɛnyɛ the issue that ama me ba platform yi so no ma me ama fosi ade me ta follow no pa program yi of Kwakoyo TV so bia me di na chini ade me follow no any ade but the one thing is that issue we ekoso wo me peso aso ha mo a me sra mu na eni die mu mpenifo mu anim kasa te ya nhwe ni ye na se mo amfa mo na ensi form a ahwe ni ye a 2028 election no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia onya vote wo me peso aso ha mo all because of MP no owa ha no or Canada Japan echi nti forms na bae na ye ka se ye mfa forms no ye omo kofa forms no omo a omo yi wo manim emra Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebo ne ntoa a ye ne omo ye program ni nyina no omo kofa form no MP na ama omo forms no omo anko vetting ya mfre wo omo nyina ya mfre wo ya mfre obi a me ye MPP ani na meti MPP party office because of that no 1 year ni obai when Jamaica nti wa pam fi party office wo because me support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It forms a yakofa ye ni nyina all the Bawumia ko fo bia ni ho mo a o ma no e call vetting ni bi. Nti wa yi o mu nyina afi mu. Ti yesre mo. Asem we me de tumu animu. Me complain di akere bookshop. Me complain di akere no. Me san complain di akere mo nso mpelifo amu ha no. Na mo moa because MP no ha mo no. Oni Kennedy upon e ejuma. Nti na ma ha mo say Nia or support Bawumia or dig Bawumia Chiwahan on Tia Krum Ham on our Cape Coast inside. And I mean, so me watch for Himalaya Lower Danger District. And you know, that is my problem that I mean, Braway lighter semi so. But they are not betray Mukeke. Now, Sir lighter semi that one of the girl be our year end this me a complaining with that issue. Now, Ayana and semi o home okan ending because bebrena the reason why MPP for you to mean support or want to mean support adiere because of say okoka na say ye bechi na onya boafo bia emani me support no because onye penny and I say onye titru bi na say okoka MPP for NDC for asem na say NDC for bechi okotuma onye obia emani me support Inti na eba sa attempts no no maka ọma no so e di atum because on penny ho asem na etena bi no yakọchi na kotuma we enye obi ama medi na chi because nkwala na afi no mo ba no they are trying their best say on be bibia so munye obi ti say penny bi do di omo chi nti say we enye penny bi an support no na so ko kan asem bi na sa asem na ko kan no yakoya asem na say edisi for friend no na so on mo de ko police station. That's where you support bia. I think say nipa at times no e ya nsem ka no e be ye den. E dia ma say nipa. E bi ti say ye ha say. Ye won kofo bebra omo ye communication no e di ma MPP. But sometimes no asem to omo a e wo police station for NDC for any omo ye na. MP no wa ha no onko. E friend kwa onma. Ntaje o say ye friend penifo bi no mo bi a ye ni ni mo omo ni mo yi fo no. Eba ansana obi tumi dem be bia be 2 weeks 3 weeks na MPP ni bia mesi ho mu MP ni bia mesi ho mu peni bia mesi ho all because of the chairman no any MP no ye nti no ama sa ne mani nyina no yakan anu atumu because ye won sem kapa na enso like say me brane kan no ensem bi ho na say esia ne kan edin because when nya boafo ana when yi echitaifo a usi den na okoka because obeka no asem ba ho na beboa o unyo obi ama omoa o ntina ba ne sa na nyina ya yedin na ya tenase se ne be ya yesu ye behwe ehu su ye ama bibini a yanko amane mu because anopei me call market enama amanfo yegu a omokotu egu ne amanfo ne ma aseye omokotu egu no I was just asking myself say nti say na 28 years ni na MPP abreso eye ya na bibisa mamefo no mo kire say enye saa o because 3 days ni aye doom light no omo so light enama omo apaki omo kotu egu no just about almost bare millions of money. All because of what? Light assem. Now can light assem is here. Any phone can stand say or me defend it or more party no. But yen so because wa obekwa ko defend no. Bibi to a yen person so a yen obia. Cause ne ekoso okrom any ade no yen ya hane yen because yen ye MP so yen MP. A BBC a okobo MP amane na MP aba be di wachi. Yen bi yen chairman. Inti saa nneɛma wei nyina no ɛyɛ na ɛden ma yɛn ɛwɔ ha paa nti ne nneɛma bi wɔ ɔmo a yɛsrɛ mo yɛde yɛ ha no bɛto mo anim a mo ma ne ndu ɔmo anim because ɛbɛ years to 2028 yɛn nso na yɛbɛsa gyina ɛbɛyɛ campaign na nyame adom obi abɔ mmɔden a tumi agyina sɛ ɔsɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔgyina bi na sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a MPP no obɛtumi ayɛ bi na say yentumi hu se ne yebespa yebɛkan asɛm a ɛba ne saa ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ adeɛ ti yɛsrɛ mu
yɛda ase
Akua me ba Mr. Minim nipa hia obetimi afa omo se
ebi mo kwa akasa de dobi ti se dantes wakasa kubi wakasa akatere na ɛwɔ soro ne pe
enti mamu fa obi abim because my battery na eko it will go off na yan end on a good note lights no say Emma
so akatere na ɛwɔ soro ne pe obi akasa big man